हाँ हाँ हो गया, बाद काम स्टार्ट हो गया।
Makes the spirit whole. Within us all, a flame does rise, a power that reaches for the skies.
In moments still, in times of strife, Urja fuels the dance of life. A silent strength, a burning fire, a force that lifts and takes us higher.
With the theme Urja, good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, the President of St. Clair School, Right Reverend Bishop, Catholic Diocese Sambalpur, Principal, Vice Principal, Reverend Fathers and Sisters of distinct congregations, esteemed teachers, supportive parents, dear
Smita Pani,
on behalf of St. Clair School family and management, welcome each and every one of you to the much anticipated School Annual Sports Meet 2024.
Hard work and enthusiasm that all our students have, whether it's on the field, track, or symbolic gesture of the illumination of knowledge, wisdom,
But also our hearts and minds as we embark on is as the chief guest lights the lamp, first lamp, let it signifies the illumination of mind and the guest of honor, Dr. Sobhagya Kumar Panigrahi, Associate Professor, Bishop Burla. Sir, please come forward and light the lamp. Thank you, sir.
Now, I take great pleasure in inviting His Excellency to step forward and light the lamp. Most Reverend Bishop.
I am privileged to thank His Excellency. Now, I heartfully invite our Principal, Father Anil Kumar Kuzur, to come forward and light the lamp.
Next, I warmly welcome
Head Girl, St. Clair School, Bulla.
Thank you everyone. Please take your seat.
सहारा इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता। आज के ये शुभ दिन में हम तेरे करीब आए, खुशियों से हमको भर दो, तुमसे हम ये फरमाए। आज के ये शुभ दिन में हम तेरे करीब आए, खुशियों से हमको भर दो, तुमसे हम ये फरमाए। एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता। तू ही तो शांति मैत्री प्रेम का आधार भी है, आपस में भाईचारा का प्रेम हमें सिखा दे। तू ही तो शांति मैत्री प्रेम का आधार भी है, आपस में भाईचारा का प्रेम हमें सिखा दे। एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता।
Support each other and, most importantly, have fun.
Now, I would like to request Reverend Sister Mary to propose a welcome note for our chief guest, guest of honor, and all the dignitaries on the dais.
And a refreshing good morning and a heartfelt welcome to our honorable guests on the dais, Principal Father, management members, teachers, parents, and students. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to this opening ceremony of 6th Annual Sports Meet. Everyone present here is excited about this event. We are all gathered here on this auspicious day to motivate and inspire the young minds to showcase their talents. The Sports Day celebration shows the commitment that all of us have towards sports. The testimony of this is our students who perform with great exuberance in all the given sports. For good physical fitness and strength, sport is an integral part of life. Sports makes our life interesting, teach us to work hard and push our limits for everyone. It is because this celebration highlights our school's continuous success in the area of education. Our students year after year are making everyone very proud by getting accolades and rewards from outside the campus. On this auspicious occasion, this platform is also an opportunity to welcome our chief guest of this morning, Sri Ambit Mohanty, OPS SDPO Burla. He has completed his BTech Electrical Engineering from the Government College of Engineering, Kyoto. He has cleared GATE and CAT
MBA in Power Management from National Power Training Institute, Faridabad. Covered a manager post in Inox Wind Limited. Cleared Odisha, and now he is posted as SDPO in Burla. Our principal, management, staff, parents and students, I extend a very warm welcome to you, dear sir.
Our chief guest with a bouquet, memento. It's a small token of our appreciation for your presence and the love
In VSSUT Burla. We are also proud of knowledge. On behalf of our principal and school community, I heartily welcome you, sir, to this beautiful event.
Bouquet, shawl, and sapling. Planting tree, a reminder of the beautiful moments we have shared. We hope it brings you joy and tranquility for many years to come. Thank you once again for being here. We are truly grateful for your presence, sir.
Dedication, tireless services, and unwavering commitment to the betterment of society and our school inspires.
Now I call Sweta Miss to honor Right Reverend Bishop, Catholic Diocese Sambalpur, and the president of our school. And it's all. And this time, as we feel for a clean India and green India, we have promoted to give a supply as a token of love so that we shall have a bright and cleaner future. Thank you, Father. Ma'am, may I request Sweta ma'am to honor him with a badge. He is a patron of St. Luke's School, always stands as a backbone to us. Mr. Arjun Patnaik, we are really grateful, sir, that you today thought to accompany us, to grace us, to support us. I request Sweta Miss to honor Sir Arjun Patnaik with a badge. And it's all.
I am proudly delighted to take this opportunity to welcome Foundation for All the Young Minds. He is a role model for all the teachers and students for the discipline and incomparable hard work which he practices in his daily life. On behalf of all who have Vinod Kalyan Kullu, Father Bibin Tete, and all my colleagues, you work endlessly to shape the young lives and make them good citizens of society and nation, and inspire hopes and enlighten the wisdom and instill in our parents. I extend a hearty welcome to all our parents who have taken time out of your busy schedule to cheer up the students and appraise the efforts of this school. You are a prism of talent and creativity in order to make this year's annual sports meet function ever more memorable. They have been working really hard from past day meet in the name of Principal and St. Louis School. Thank you.
Thank you, sister. Welcome dance symbolizes the beginning of something new. A new chapter, a new journey we are embarking on together. As the dances move,
स्वागतम् शुभ स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्
हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्
आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्
अथ स्वागतम्
शुभ
कुसुमित नैकामनाए सुरभित नई साधनाए कुसुमित नैकामनाए सुरभित नई साधनाए मैत्री मति क्रीडांगण में समुदित बंधु भावनाए शाश्वत मंगलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
हितप्रियं भारत भारतम् हितप्रियं भारत भारतम्
Thank you, dear children, for a beautiful performance.
Cutie, enthusiastic kids. I welcome you all to the annual athletic meet. This is your annual athletic meet. It is not that today only you are playing. Throughout the year you guys are playing. But this is the final day when you have to showcase your talent, and if somebody is winning, it is fine. If somebody is not winning, that is also fine. If somebody is winning, you should think that because of these guys who could not win, you are the winners. And the students who could not win, you should have a lesson that yes, this is my, you should understand this is my drawbacks or this is my issues, and let me eradicate these issues so that next year I will surpass the winners. Thank you all.
On behalf of St. Louis School, Bulla, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guest of honor for delivering such an inspiring and the winners, as very nicely he said, you should thank those who lose, that because the spirit of sportsmanship, teamwork, perseverance in our hearts, a tradition that has spanned years. The annual sports touch run marks the beginning of our school journey into a session of competition, challenge, triumph. This touch symbolizes the passion and energy that fills our dream and strength that binds us all together. Yes, the church has been littered. Now, beginning with our PT teacher. To the first athlete, Exton Xavier, a bronze medalist in 200-meter run in district athletics.
Miss carrying the torch, running Miss Preeti Ray. She participated in CBSE Inter-School Kho Championship.
Now the church reached to the sport minister of our school, Captain Master Asim Tirki. Finishing the run, the church has been handed over to our PT sir, Mr. Rahul Paswan, and they all, with pride and honor, moving towards in front of the stage. A big round of applause.
And with this first step, we officially kick off the annual school sports festival. From this moment onward, every race, every game, and every challenge will be a testament to the dedication of our athletes, the support of our school community, and the unwavering belief in the power of sport to bring us together.
Now the parade commander will give some. May I request our chief guest?
This flag symbolizes our unity, pride, and the values we hold dear as a community and society.
As you could see, the school flag has been unfolded. Now it will flutter and fly, and with this waving flag,
Respected Principal Anil Kujur sir, respected Associate Professor Dr. Sobhay Kumar Panigrahi sir, and other dignitaries of the dais, and my dear student. Actually, ପିଲାମାନେ ସବୁ ଭଲ ଅଛ? ଭଲ ଅଛ? ମୁଁ actually observe କଲିଣି ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ସମୟ ତଳୁ କି ତମମାନେ ଶୁଣିବା ପାଇଁ ନାରାଜ। ମୁଁ ବି ଯେତେବେଳେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ପଢୁଥିଲି ମୁଁ ବି ଗେଷ୍ଟ କି ଚିଫ ଗେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଅନର ଏ ସବୁ ମାନଙ୍କର ଭାଷଣ ଶୁଣିଏନି, କାହିଁକି ନା ମତେ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ ନୁହଁ, ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଖେଳିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ। ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲିଣି ତମମାନଙ୍କ ଫେସରେ, ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରୁଥିଲି ଲାଷ୍ଟ କିଛି ସମୟ ହେଲା, ହାଫ ଆୱାର ହେଲା ଏଠି ବସିଛି। ମୁଁ ବି ତମ ଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ବହୁତ କମ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଥିଲି, ତ ତମମାନଙ୍କ ମନ ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ଏକ୍ସାଇଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଅଛି तुम स्कूल रो एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स मीट पाई, तो सेटा भी मो मन रे दिने थिला जस्ट फ्यू डेज बैक। तो मु देखि पारुची तो तुम माने किछि सुनिबा पई वर्तमान प्रस्तुत ना हो। जदि मु इंग्लिश रे कहि कहि चालीबी तुम माने भी पछपटे घुमे, तो तुम माने खेलिबा पई रेडी तो? Your principal invited me to attend this annual sports meet of your school. It is a great pleasure really for me. And throughout this की बहुत खुशी लगिला जे तुम मानक भितर पिला माने बहुत पिला जाय कि नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स मीट अटेंड करिचो, स्टेट लेवल खेलिचो, आ प्राइज भी जीति के आनिचो, आ ए सेंट लुकेस स्कूल को र ना को बहुत ऊपर को नैचो। मु तुम मानक माने तुम मानक अनुरोध करिवि एही बळे खेल तुम माने जारी रखो फ्यूचर रे, काहेकि ना वर्तमान जो स्पोर्ट्स इट इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम। एक्चुअली एजुकेशन सिस्टम बिना स्पोर्ट्स को नहीं कि एजुकेशन सिस्टम को कल्पना करा जाई न पारे। स्पोर्ट्स एमिति गोटे जिंस जोटा परस्पर मध्य भाईचार संपर्क को बढ़ाई थाए, परस्पर मध्य स्नेह श्रद्धा सदिच्छा को बढ़ाई थाए। आ गोटे कथा मते भल लागिला आपण मानको स्कूल को आसीकी पिला मानको थैंक यू सो मच, ऑल द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स। एक्सक्यूज मी सर, प्रूव इट थ्रू the Odissi dance annual sports meet 2024 of St. Lucas School Burla open. Thank you, sir. So our chief guest has inspected our parade troops and will guide us, will see and ensure that things are ready and we are ready to move forward.
The air is filled with excitement and enthusiasm, and we are ready to witness the incredible talent and energy of our students.
At this moment, we are about to begin one of the most anticipated segment of the day, the parade inspection. This moment when the student will display their discipline, unity, and pride, all while marching forward with confidence and strength.
Now, I call upon our newly registered Junior NCC Commander, Master Swastik Raj Panigrahi, to take permission for parade inspection. Swastik.
परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान। परेड विश्राम।
our dignitaries are moving to
Now, moving towards Nehru House. The motto of this house is your determination to succeed as the students of Yellow
uniform. Please stand for wisdom, courage, and the endless pursuit. The Kalam House students. It's confidence.
Next we have Gandhi House. The motto of this house is striving towards excellence to do it. Even if I may not have it at the beginning, rightly penned by the Mahatma Gandhi, the student of this house led by a belief that they are more than just an ordinary group of.
Let's welcome the students of Tabor House, proud in their radiant red, great with heart. Determination and creativity is the motto of this house. Tabor House students are really inspiring. We have junior wings in the same sequence. We have junior house, Nehru girls, followed by boys. Next to Gandhi House junior girls and boys. Last, Tabor House junior girls and boys. Next section is all finished. Very respecting the public group and slowly they are ready for the sports and the way that they are going to have. Our dignitaries are escorted by our escort troop and parade commander. They all are returning back onto the dais. To the next part of this day.
And patriotism, followed by all four houses. Now all are ready for the march past.
With a loading of the flag, salute and dynamic. First we have NCC Troop, Parade Commander, Nissan Patnaik, Flag Bearer, Adi Sridas. With a troop of 25 cadets, 16 boys and 9 girls.
Next we have Senior Nehru House Senior Girls, the House Captain Swastika Naik, Flag Bearer Chandni Nagpal. Yellow color symbolizes sunshine, hope and happiness. It stands for freshness, positivity, optimism, enlightenment, loyalty and intellect.
Next to Kalam House Senior Girls, Captain Gurgun Pradhan, Flag Bearer Chandni Red,
Kalam House, blue seeks peace and tranquility, and it also promotes physical and mental relaxation. The color blue reduces stress and creates a sense of calmness, relaxation and order. Senior boys, Captain Adarsh Pradhan and Flag Bearer Naitik Mittal.
Next to Gandhi House Senior Boys, we have Senior Girls, House Captain Palak Sharma, Flag Bearer Smizel Rao.
Symbolizes the color of life, nature and energy. It is associated with ambition, growth, harmony, freshness, safety and environment.
Next, Tabor House Senior Girls, House Captain Vidyasa Varyar Singh, Flag Bearer Aisha Parveen. Next, Senior Boys, House Captain Rudranil Das, Flag Bearer Omkar Swaroop, Ora.
Red is a color of blood and fire. It is associated with meaning of leadership, strength, courage, willpower, vigor, vibrance, radiance and determination.
Now, Junior Nehru House Girls, House Captain Bloomerine Bagh, flag bearer Nidhi Verma, Junior Nehru House Boys House Captain Divya Divyansu Kar, flag bearer Divya Ranjan Swine.
Next to Nehru House, we have Kalam House, Junior Girls, House Captain Himanshi Beg, Flag Bearer Adyasa Priyadarshini. Himanshi Beg, Adyasa Priyadarshini. Next we have Junior Group Boys of Kalam House, House Captain Dheeraj Kumar Bhoi, Flag Bearer Kaushik Shukla, Kalam House.
Next to Kalam House Junior Boys and Girls, we have Gandhi House Junior Girls House Captain Aradhya Bhoi, flag bearer Adyasa Meher. Followed by Gandhi House Junior Boys House Captain Gaurav Naik, flag bearer Arustan Banchur.
Finally, we have Tagore House, Girls Junior Group, House Captain Nityangi Padhi, Flag Bearer Dityanjali Chaudhary. Tagore House, Junior Group Girls, Captain Nityangi Padhi, Dityanjali Chaudhary, the Flag Bearer. And Boys Junior Group, House Captain Kesav Sande, Flag Bearer Om Meher. To set the stage for our next speaker, I would like to share a quote. A journey of 1,000 miles.
SDPO Burla, Aziro Guest of Honor, Saubhagya Panigrahi, Associate Professor BSS UT, Principal Father Anil Kumar Kujur, staff, students, parents, guests, उपस्थित समस्त निमंत्रित भद्र व्यक्तिगण. It is said in a positive note that health is wealth. You are on march, you are not ready to hear, as the chief guest said, that now it is not time for listening but for action. However, I would like to give you a few things about the sports and would like to exhort you to take part in the sports in a sportsmanship spirit. It is said that health is wealth. Health is wealth, not because it saves us from emptying our pockets from the doctor's prescription or from the. I'd like to invite to reflect that you are participating as a team. Therefore, cultivate a team spirit among you, understand one another, respect each other, and acknowledge the gift that the other one has, improve the gifts that you have. As said earlier, to all those who win this year in different events, and also advance congratulations to those who lose this year, but they will win next year. I'd like to also express my gratitude to the principal, the staff, and the students for preparing all of you for this great event. And this event remains a memorable event in our life. I wish all of you that you have a good sportsmanship with good body and sound mind, respecting one another, accepting each other, and building up a true sportsmanship spirit. I'd like to also acknowledge that your contribution to the school through your participation in different sports events at state and national level. And I congratulate them, all those who have excelled in different events at the state as well as national levels. I would like to invite all of you to reflect that this event is an event for your making in future. All those who have interest in sports can improve and make it as a career for your future. And those who are interested in sports also can help others to build up their qualities and their talents. And once again, I'd like to thank all of you for the invitation. And also I'd like to thank all of you for your participation in this event. May God bless you and all enjoy the time and win all the games. Be happy, be positive, and build up your mind strong and body strong so that you can help the country to become strong. Thank you very much and wish you all the best and God's blessing.
Advance congratulations to our participants. Now, may I humbly request
we shall take part in St. Luke's School sports and games competitions, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them, and with the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our school and for the glory of sports.
will remind them the oath that they had taken ourselves. So we will keep it upright.
Now, I would like to invite Mohini ma'am to extend a vote of thanks. Mohini ma'am.
Ceremony of 6th annual sports meet. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for smooth and orderly conduct of this opening ceremony. We are very much thankful to our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Ambit Mohanty, SDPO Burla, for graciously dedicating his valuable time to us and for inspiring our students to strive be extremely athletes and virtuous individuals. Your presence has truly made this day.
Taking out time from a busy schedule and sparing valuable moments with us. Thank you, Bishop. I offer sincere thanks to our principal, Reverend Father Anil Kumar Kujur, who himself
is the time to thank our students for their extraordinary skills and discipline. Let us give a big round of applause for each one of us. Thank you,
Meet opening ceremony. Now, the parade commander
Concluded, when the parade command will give the command to disperse, students will disperse, and students, please go to your respective classrooms, take your tiffin, then after 20 minutes, we shall resume the games and sports of the day.
After this,
our dignitaries on the dais will witness.
on the flags